Have you been trying to lose weight but feel stuck? Maybe you've tried countless diets, exercise plans, and supplements, but nothing seems to work. What if I told you that there's a natural, safe, and affordable solution already in your kitchen? In today's video, we're going to reveal the secrets of using apple cider vinegar for weight loss. But here's the kicker. We'll show you how to use it correctly for maximum results. And stay tuned until the end for a bonus tip you won't want to miss. Before we dive into how apple cider vinegar, or ACV, can help you lose weight, let's talk about what it actually is. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting apples, which turns their sugars into acetic acid, the key ingredient behind its health benefits. What makes apple cider vinegar stand out is its ability to promote weight loss, improve digestion, and even help regulate blood sugar levels. This natural tonic has been used for centuries, but today we're going to focus on how it can become your secret weapon in shedding those extra pounds. You're probably wondering, how does apple cider vinegar actually help with weight loss? Let's break it down. First, it suppresses appetite. Studies have shown that the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can help reduce your appetite by making you feel fuller for longer. When you drink it before meals, it can help curb cravings and prevent overeating. Second, it boosts metabolism. Acetic acid has been linked to an increase in fat burning and improved metabolism. It helps your body burn fat more efficiently, which can lead to weight loss over time. Third, it balances blood sugar levels. One of the biggest reasons for weight gain is blood sugar spikes that lead to insulin resistance. ACV helps regulate blood sugar by slowing down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, which helps prevent those spikes and crashes that lead to hunger and weight gain. Lastly, it reduces fat storage. Some studies suggest that ACV can reduce the amount of fat stored in the body by improving the way your liver and muscles break down fat. Now that we know how apple cider vinegar works, let's talk about how to use it properly for safe, effective weight loss. It's important to note that you shouldn't drink it straight, as it's highly acidic and can harm your teeth and digestive system if taken undiluted. Here's how to incorporate it into your daily routine. First, dilute it. Always mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with at least a cup or 8 ounces of water. Drinking it straight can damage your tooth enamel and throat due to its acidity. Second, timing is key. For the best results, drink the ACV solution about 30 minutes before meals. This will help you feel fuller, reduce overeating, and support your digestion throughout the meal. Third, start slow. If you're new to ACV, start with 1 teaspoon in water once a day, and gradually increase the amount to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day as your body adjusts. And lastly, consistency matters. Like any natural remedy, apple cider vinegar isn't a quick fix. Consistency is key. Incorporate it into your daily routine and you'll begin to see results over time. Aside from aiding in weight loss, apple cider vinegar has a long list of health benefits that make it worth adding to your daily routine. Here are just a few. First, it improves digestion. Apple cider vinegar stimulates the production of stomach acid, which helps with the breakdown of food, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. If you suffer from indigestion, bloating, or gas, apple cider vinegar can help alleviate these symptoms. Second, it supports heart health. Some research suggests that apple cider vinegar can lower cholesterol and reduce blood pressure, both of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. Third, it enhances skin health. Applying diluted apple cider vinegar to your skin can help with acne, scars, and even skin infections. Its antibacterial properties work wonders in reducing inflammation and promoting clearer skin. And finally, it boosts immunity. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties that help fight off harmful bacteria and pathogens, which can boost your immune system. There are countless testimonials from people who've successfully used apple cider vinegar to reach their weight loss goals. For instance, many report feeling less bloated, experiencing fewer cravings, and shedding pounds after consistently incorporating ACV into their routines. For example, Sarah, a 35-year-old mom, lost 15 pounds over the course of 3 months, simply by drinking ACV diluted in water before meals and maintaining a balanced diet. She says that it helped her control her portions and kept her from reaching for snacks throughout the day. While apple cider vinegar can be a powerful tool for weight loss, it works best when combined with other healthy habits. Here are a few tips to make the most of its fat-burning potential. 1. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins, supports digestion, and can reduce hunger. 3. exercise regularly. While apple cider vinegar can help with fat burning, combining it with regular exercise will maximize your results. Try incorporating 30 minutes of moderate exercise, like walking, into your daily routine. Now for the bonus tip. To enhance the weight loss effects of apple cider vinegar, try adding a pinch of cinnamon to your ACV drink. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels and has its own fat-burning properties, making it the perfect complement to apple cider vinegar. Not only does it boost the benefits, but it also improves the taste of your ACV solution. Now that you know the safe, natural way to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss, why not take your health journey a step further? If you're interested in learning about 7 benefits of olive oil before bed, make sure to check out our next video. Remember, weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. With the right tools and knowledge, you can achieve your goals in a sustainable and healthy way.